Sewing off the inner layer and attaching it to the outer layer. Brief on the tracing. Trace your size and the neckline design that fits the choice of the outer layer, the higher low backline. In this example, the low neckline was chosen at the outer layer and therefore also at the inner layer. Lay the fabric to fold and cut front and back. Remember, seam allowance are included. Side seams and armscye. Lay front and back face against face. It's a good idea always to mark the right side of the fabric pieces. Pin and sew knit stitch with jersey needle 1 cm distance from the edge and overlock. You could also choose just to overlock the seams. Double turn the seam allowance of the armscye 1.5 cm towards the wrong side and stitch. Unfortunately, I did not get to make a great picture of this step, but I hope you can manage. The bottom hemline. Turn up bottom hemline 2 cm, lay side seams towards the back, pin and stitch from the facing of the fabric with a double needle. Attaching the inner with the outer neckline. Make sure the facing of both layers are showing. Place the inner layer inside the outer layer, as it would look if finished sewn. Find the notch marks and the center of both inner and outer layer. Pin wrong side against wrong side temporarily. This step is especially good if you are new to sewing. Turn the outer layer inside out and replace the pins accurate. Sew with 7 mm distance from edge. You could now choose to overlock the seam and finish the neckline with a machine stitch or a hand prick stitch. At the next step, a tape finish solution was chosen.